ReactJs is widely used and gaining more popularity over the period of time to develop single page application. That's clearly visible in this graph. Okay guys, if your fundamentals are clear on HTML, CSS and most importantly in JavaScript, and you want to learn a front-end technology, then you can go for ReactJs and it will definitely add a value in your profile. Hey, what's up? I'm Heyman. Welcome back to this channel. Alright guys, so I'm creating a brand new series on ReactJs wherein I'll be covering all the important topics with the help of good example. In this video, let's set up our first ReactJs app and print hello world. Simple? Okay then, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's quickly create our first ever ReactJs app. So first thing first, you need to install NodeJs if you haven't already. So in order to install this, go to this nodejs.org official website and you'll be seeing two green buttons here. One is LTS and another one is current. So I would recommend to download this LTS version. At the time when I'm recording this video, current version is 14.15.1. It is more stable, that's why we are more preferring this one, not current version. Current version tend to have some bugs, so we are not going to struggle with that. So download this stable version of LTS. Fine. Okay guys, once you download it, just install it. It is as simple as installing any other software, you know that. Fine. Okay, after successfully installing this Node.js, you can verify by typing node-v command. It will print the version, whichever version you are currently in. Okay. Fine guys, so now we are good. We can create ReactJs app. But before that, I would like to introduce one more tool initiated by Facebook, which is called Create React App. With the help of this tool, we are going to create React app. Okay, so this is the tool initiated by Facebook and open source community is contributing to make it better day by day. Okay, so we'll be using this tool to create our first ever React app. Okay guys, so now let's quickly create a React app. For that I'm using npx. Okay guys, so npx is a package runner which makes executing packages very easy. You know, when you don't want to install the executed packages explicitly via npm command, then maybe you want to use this one, npx, and it'll make sure that you'll be installing and you'll be working with the latest version of that package. Okay, now let's use the package name. Create React app is our package name, and let's have the app name first React app. Okay, hit enter. It'll take some time to install all the dependencies, whatever is required for a React app. So it will take care of installing all the dependencies and creating the basic folder structure of React. We'll be seeing in a minute. So guys, it'll take some time. Yeah, till then bear with me. And if you guys are learning React directly, I would suggest you should have a good understanding on JavaScript, basically ES6 syntax and all the features, new features, which is called modern JavaScript, right? Yeah. Okay. There we go. It is completed. Now project should get created. If you see, this first React app is the newly created one. Let's go inside this first React app and let's open the VS Code. Like, just type code and dot, it'll open the VS Code. Okay guys, let me close this one. And if you see, with the help of Create React App tool, we generated this folder structure and these dependencies inside node modules. We got Babel here and all these dependencies. Okay guys, so these many files are already created so that we can start our first React app on top of that. Fine. So this is the basic structure we got. Let me open the terminal first. Okay, now let's start the server with the help of npm start. Server is getting started. Okay, here we go. It got started and you are seeing this big React logo. So this is the basic thing comes as part of this structure. Let's modify the structure and print hello world. Okay, let me just stop the server first and let's clean all the unnecessary files. Like, this is unnecessary. I'm just selecting, and logo is not needed as of now. Manifest is not needed. A robot is not needed. I'm just deleting these files. Okay, and here in this setup test report, this one is not needed. Let's delete this also. Okay, let's go to index.html first. So this is only one HTML file we have. Let's clean unnecessary tags here. So on this link and metadata tags we don't need as of now. So I'm just removing these. all so that it'll make much more sense when I'll explain how ReactJs app actually works and all the rendering things and purpose of this div. Since we create a single page application with the help of React, so this index.html plays a critical role to achieve that. Okay, so if you notice this empty div, that will be eventually replaced by dynamically generated DOM, and the whole process is called rendering. Fine. Okay guys, I'll make you understand the process of rendering in a bit, but before that, just treat this index.html as a shell or container where multiple JS files or multiple DOMs would be dynamically resolved in the browser. Fine. Okay, let's go to index.js and let's remove this import. It's not needed. We have already removed the file, right? Okay. And let's clean this one as well. We don't need this. Okay, this is it. Okay guys, if you see this render function, this is responsible for showing or rendering all the components mentioned in the first arguments inside the HTML element which is mentioned in the second argument. Okay, if you see here, we are rendering app component which is coming from app.js. Fine, so let's go to app.js and we'll see what is inside app.js component. So here it is. Inside app.js, unnecessary things are there. So let's clean that up and we'll print hello world over here. Okay, so this is unnecessary. I'm just going to clean that up and we'll print a simple header. Okay, so let's not use any CSS as of now. So I'm just using a simple flat div and just printing the text hello world. And this is my first ReactJs app. Here we go. Let's save it. And if you see this logo.svg is unnecessarily imported, let's remove it. And yeah, save that. Alright guys, everything looks good. I'm exporting the app component over here, importing the app component over here, and using the app here. Okay, let's remove this strict mode since I'm not using concurrent React and advanced topic. It's just simple hello world. So let's make it simple. It'll easy for you to understand as well. Okay, let's save it and let's start the server. It should print the hello world and whatever the message we have given in the div, right? Here we go. It is printed and this is our first React app. That's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. In the next video, I'll be covering Virtual DOM, JSX, Babel in terms of ReactJs. Like, share and subscribe guys. See you in the next video.